Good day everyone, I am Rafael A. De La Cruz
I'm John Allen Verbilila.
from BSIT 23. We are here to discuss about our website. The project title is Bulakeños. For our website objective, number 1 is to promote, advertise the business and its menu in an appealing way. Number 2 is to inform, tell the user about the background, its goals, and the Bulakeños brand identity. Number 3, sell. Entice the users to become customers and buy and also eat at Bulakeños. For our target user, demographics, age 17 to 40 years old, all genders, anywhere near Valenzuela City and Caloocan City. Background, anyone who wants Filipino cuisine. And economic level is low to middle class. For our user persona, for example, name, Juan de la Cruz, age 28, occupation, security guard. Lifestyle, Juan is a hardworking man that provides for his family. Through his job, he always loved Filipino cuisine because of his mother who cooked it. User story, Juan is craving Filipino food but isn't sure what he wants to that is available. He goes to the website menu page. Number 2, wants want to dine in a location but doesn't know where the nearest branch is. He goes to the location section of the website. Number 3, one doesn't feel like dining because of it's too far. He then proceeds to order the food. He finds the process to order in the contact us section.
So, ito na yung website ng Bulakeños. Ito yung homepage niya. Ito yung parang hero section niya na magwe-welcome sa user kapag binisit niya yung Bulakeños. Ito yung tagline ng Bulakeños. We serve affordable yet delicious food. Itong visit us, mag-redirect siya sa locations para malaman nila kung saan mag-visit. So, yung unang section na nandito sa homepage natin is yung parang video presentation niya ng Bulakeños. Nilagay natin to kasi dito sa project brief nakalagay kailangan natin i-promote and advertise the business and its menu in an appealing way. Kaya parang gumawa tayo ng video presentation para ma-promote yung menu items ng Bulakeños. Kaya tingnan muna natin siya. So, next naman is itong parang CR menu section. At nilagay lang to para malaman ng mga user kung saan papunta ang menu. Kung na-miss nila itong menu sa navbar. So, magre-redirect yan sa menu page. Next naman is yung parang delivery section. Nakalagay ito para ma-inform yung mga user na may in-offer yung Bulacay News na food delivery service, saka pick up. Meron silang Grab Food saka Food Panda. Saka pwede rin silang mag-pick up pag tinawagan nyo sila. So, magre-redirect to sa contact page. Next naman is yung sa review section. Ito naman yung papunta sa reviews page. Tapos, ito naman yung our story para papunta sa about page. Yung homepage, ito lang yung parang summarized version ng buong website. Mahanap mo dito lahat ng papunta sa ibang page dito sa website ng Bulacay News.
So, dito naman tayo sa About section. Kung makita nyo, meron pa rin tayong banner na may nakalagay na About Us. Dito naman sa page na to, ang nilalaman niya is yung story ng website natin. Image ng food nila, image ng store din nila, at image din ng mga owner natin.
Next naman is yung menu page. Yung lahat ng menu items, naka-categorize siya para madali lang siya navigate ng mga user. So, kung makikita nyo, lahat ng mga pansit, nasa pansit na category. Tapos, yung soup, nasa soup. Ganyan. Saka, parang naka-hide sila para hindi masyadong mahaba yung isa-scroll nyo.
Next is yung location page natin. Kung makikita nyo, may banner pa rin tayo, location. Dito, meron tayong dalawang buttons. One is for Caloocan and Valenzuela. Kasi merong dalawang branch ang business na napili namin. Kapag pinindot nyo yung Valenzuela, magdadirect siya sa Valenzuela address. Also, kasama na rin ang Google Maps nito kung saan siya located. Ganon din sa Caloocan. Same as location
Parang
page.
ganun rin
Dito
sa
contact page
locations,
natin,
may
makikita rin
dalawang
natin yung
buttons.
dalawang buttons na
Pag
Valenzuela and Caloocan.
pinindot mo yung
Pag click nyo to, maglalabas sila ng corresponding
corresponding
information
button,
at contact information doon sa
ilalabas
business.
yung
Dito
corresponding
nakalagay din yung
information dun.
Facebook and
May link
yung
dun sa
Grab Food and Food
Facebook
Panda na
nila,
buttons na
tapos
kapag
yung
click nyo, magdadirect kayo sa
Food
mismong
Panda sa Grab Food.
And last is yung
Meron
get in
ring
touch with us.
contact
Dito kung meron
form
kayong suggestion, questions,
na
or request,
magde-direct
pwede nyo
sa
ilagay yung mga
email
information
mo.
nyo dito, email na magdadirect mismo sa
Yun.
ang reply na yun sa
Yung
business.
next. So, sa reviews page, pwede tayong mag-leave ng review. Pwede tayong mag-choose ng file. Pili lang ako dito. Yung name. Tapos, email. Tapos yung message. Tapos, sabihin natin, i-display tong message na to kasi yung review i-moderate natin para malalaman ng admin kung ano yung parang legit na review bago siya i-post dun sa website. So, tingnan natin siya sa admin panel natin or dashboard. Mali. So, yun. Nakikita natin yung pending reviews meron. So, nandito siya. Magkahiwalay yung approve sa pending. Kung okay naman yung review, approve natin. Tapos, makikita natin siya sa reviews. Reload lang natin. Yun na. Tapos, kung ayaw na natin siya ilagay dyan, delete lang natin siya sa approve. Tapos, reload lang natin. Yun na.
And yun lang po. Then, thank you for listening po for our project website.